Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am May Jane Tamayo, 31 years old, married with two children, 7 years old daughter and 10 years old daughter. I live in San Manuel, Laguilan, Isabela, Philippines, and I have 5 brothers. I am fifth of the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for 2 years, finished contract. So ako, for newborn baby and 5 years old. I do household cleaning, cooking, laundry ironing, car washing, and my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I am promised to serve your family with all my best, and